So people are asking me about the importance of sleep study. Sleep study is important because it's measuring the severity of your symptoms. Something like how many times do you actually stop breathing when you're sleeping, or the amount of oxygen saturation while you're sleeping. It is a very, very important tool to measure the progress of your treatment and the outcomes of your treatment as well. So sleep study involves monitoring leads that it gets attached onto a few parts of your body, and the small machine gets attached around your chest. This is measuring all your movements, you're measuring your breathing, your heart rate, and lots of information comes out of it. It's very simple and easy when it's done at home, it's less invasive, and it's happening in your comfort of your bed.